Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys accessibility setting in your Samsung phone. In this video guys, first of all guys we will talk about TalkBack guys. How can we on and guys how can we use TalkBack in our Samsung phone? In this video guys I am going to show you friends how can you on TalkBack and how to use it. So first of all guys we will have to on our phone setting to on TalkBack. Then guys scroll it. Then guys click on guys your accessibility setting guys. This accessibility setting guys we will tap here guys, click on talkback setting. Then guys you can see your talkback shortcuts, so guys you can on from here allow talkback on, talkback navigate up, ability slider accessibility. So friends you can see guys talkback is on, and guys how can you use this guys with your two finger guys you can use your talkback setting. One finger guys if you use it will not work. So guys you can see, and guys tap here and guys double tap to back. Tap here, double tap to back. Tap here. So you can use your talk back with your two finger. So a person who is blind and guys they cannot see, so when they use talk back, how? Because guys they want to on phone, so they will click on tap here, so what they can listen on phone. And guys you can see the setting. So guys they use like that talkback setting. So I don't use guys your talkback setting, and it is not easy. And guys you want to use it, so guys you can use as one tap and two tap continue. Then guys you can use with your two fingers. So I hope friends have understood how to on talkback in our Samsung phone and how to use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye channel.